Hey guys, I'm at Siteone today. I got invited out to come take a look. I wanted to specifically go take a look at Techo-bloc. This is the only place in Southern California where they stock it. And we're going to kind of sneak inside real quick for a second. So this is their old showroom. Barbecue, smokers, all sorts of irrigation parts, shovels, doors, drawers for your barbecue, Traeger smoker. I'm building my own though, and all sorts of other stuff. And then take a peek. This is part of the brand new showroom that they're going to be working on. So anyway, let's go back outside. But wait, I found an egg. They also have eggs, so kind of cool. Let's go outside. So of course, Siteone is going to have Belgard. Love Belgard. I sell a lot of Belgard, as well as stack stone and different material. And then let's find our way back here to Techo-bloc. Techo-bloc has all sorts of different size pavers and a lot of unique items, heavy textures, wall pieces, pavers for your deck where it looks like wood, feels like wood. I mean, look at that texture. Texture is beautiful, and all sorts of different colors in it. Darker brown, the gray. So the color on this one is called Riviera. This one is hazelnut brandy. Don't get drunk. And this one is wood. So, and then they also have these that are the wall pieces. The wall pieces that are meant to look like railroad ties. They're about 150 pounds a piece. They already come stained, so you don't have to do much. Use the Techno-seal glue on it and then stack it, after you glue it, it'll never rot. And then they also have much larger platform pavers. This is a grade nickel. This one up top is a champagne gray. This one over here is a chestnut brown, champagne gray. And Techo-bloc uses sand from Canada. It's more of a white sand, so it definitely gives a different profile on the paver when you touch it and feel it. A little bit smoother. Still, again, non-skid surface, wet or dry. And then once you seal it, use the right type of sealer so you don't make it slippery. And then they also have different parts for walls, wall caps, straight walls. So very similar to the other manufacturers, but totally different in so many ways. So definitely wanted to show this to you. If you're thinking about pavers, you're thinking about a different look, Techo-bloc definitely gives you a different look and different feel on different items, but it is definitely a premium product. So, consider your budget, look at the different points, but when you're thinking about something that is more high-end, definitely cost-wise, but for different looks. And again, think about it. If you use this wood type paver on your deck, you'd never have ants as far as crawling through the wood, degrading it. You never have to worry about decay, water problems. This is a concrete product, so it's meant to last. And again, Paver Stone's lifetime guarantee. If they crack or break, take one out, put a brand new one in, and you can have the wood texture. You don't have to worry about anything being too hot in a plastic product where it's going to fall apart over time. It's going to bow, bend, or the wood is going to rot, and you're going to have to keep on caretaking it. Paver Stone's best choice when you want the wood look, Techo-bloc. So if you find that helpful, let me know. I'd love to hear comments, or if I can come out and check out your Techo-bloc project, or if you have a question about it, I'd love to show you. So again, Siteone, Techo-bloc. I got invited out to come check this out and take a look at it. I definitely want to put a few of these jobs in the ground, and I'm bidding on one right now. So anyway, stay tuned. Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Press subscribe. I'm out.